Have you ever wanted to be a hacker, the good kind? Ethical hackers help companies find security flaws before criminals do. This is called bug bounty hunting. Companies invite people like us to test their websites and apps for weaknesses. It's like a digital treasure hunt, and the treasure is a security bug. The best part? You get paid for finding them. Imagine a company building a house. They hire people to test the locks before selling it. In the digital world, bug bounty hunters are those testers. We look for unlocked doors and weak windows in websites and apps. It's a win-win. Companies get stronger security, and we learn, have fun, and earn money. Big names like Google and Facebook run bug bounty programs because more eyes mean better security. For us, it's a chance to tackle new challenges and see how real-world apps work and break. So, what's a bug bounty? It's a reward for finding and reporting a security vulnerability. You're invited to hack, but with rules and for a good cause. You use your curiosity and skills to make the internet safer. If you love solving puzzles and want to make a difference, bug bounty hunting could be your path. Just a few months ago, I was curious about bug bounty but hadn't earned $1. I promised myself to learn and hunt every day, focusing on one bug type and one program at a time. My breakthrough came from a private program for a mid-sized e-commerce site. I spent days learning how their website worked, clicking every button, filling every form. This is called reconnaissance, and it's crucial. I noticed when editing my profile, the site sent a request with my user ID. I changed the ID to someone else's and saw their private info. This is an IDOR, Insecure Direct Object Reference. My heart raced. I documented everything and submitted my first real report. Days later, the company confirmed the bug and thanked me. A week after, I got a $4,000 bounty. That moment changed everything. It wasn't just about the money. It proved I could do this. With dedication and the right mindset, anyone can succeed in bug bounty. That $4,000 was just the beginning. The real reward was the confidence and knowledge I gained. If I could do it, so can you. Start small, stay persistent, and your breakthrough will come. Bug bounty is the ultimate hands-on learning experience. You apply security skills to real websites used by millions. Every program teaches you something new about tech and security. The money is a big motivator. Bounties can range from $50 to thousands. It turns your passion into income. You also build a reputation. Valid bugs get you recognized on leaderboards. This public track record can open doors to jobs and opportunities. You join a global community of ethical hackers. People share knowledge, help each other, and celebrate wins together. Most importantly, you make the internet safer for everyone. Every bug you report protects real people's data. You're part of a movement making a real impact. Getting started is easier than you think. First, create accounts on HackerOne and BugCrowd, the main bug bounty platforms. Fill out your profile with a professional username and bio. Explore the platforms before hacking. Look at available programs. Start with public programs as a beginner. Always read the program's scope to know what's allowed. Build basic web skills, HTML, JavaScript, and HTTP. Use free resources like Portswigger Web Security Academy to learn and practice. Work through labs to understand vulnerabilities. Choose your first program wisely. Avoid huge companies at first. Look for newer or broad-scope programs with easier bugs. Pick something that interests you. Passion helps you dig deeper. Set up your tools and environment before you start. Take notes as you go. Organization is key. Remember, everyone starts as a beginner. The right setup makes your journey smoother and more fun. You don't need expensive tools. Your curiosity is your best asset. The most important tool is a proxy, like Burp Suite Community Edition. It lets you intercept and modify web traffic. Learn to use Burp Suite's proxy and repeater tabs. This is how I found my $4,000 bug, by changing requests in repeater. For reconnaissance, use tools like Subfinder to discover subdomains. HTTPX helps you check which subdomains are live. These tools help you map your target and find hidden entry points. Keep organized notes for each target. Track subdomains, URLs, and ideas. Use a text file or note-taking app like Obsidian or Notion. Good notes keep you focused and prevent missed opportunities. Mastering these basics sets you up for big results. Now the real fun starts, hunting for bugs. Begin with simple common bugs, low-hanging fruit. IDORs are a great starting point. Look for IDs and URLs and try changing them. Can you access someone else's info? Cross-site scripting, XSS, is another beginner-friendly bug. Try entering HTML or JavaScript in input fields. Does it execute? Explore the app like a normal user first. Sign up, use features, and observe how things work. Keep Burp Suite running to watch requests. Understanding the app's logic helps you spot unusual behavior. Be patient. Finding your first bug takes time. You might not succeed right away, and that's normal. Bug hunting is a marathon, not a sprint. Every failed attempt teaches you something new. Keep experimenting and reading write-ups from other hackers. Persistence is key. Your first bug is out there. Stay curious and keep learning. The hunt is where you grow the most. Finding a bug is only half the job. You need to report it clearly. Start with a strong descriptive title. Stored XSS on profile page via nickname field. List clear, numbered steps to reproduce the bug. Be specific. Log in, go to profile, edit nickname, enter payload, save, observe result. Explain the impact. What could an attacker do? For XSS, an attacker could steal session cookies and take over accounts. For IDOR, an attacker can view any customer's private info, risking a data breach. Include evidence, screenshots, videos, or raw HTTP requests. Visual proof makes your report undeniable. A well-written report is more likely to be accepted and rewarded. Keep it concise and professional. Avoid jargon. Make it easy for the security team to understand. Double-check your steps before submitting. Quality reports build your reputation. Clear communication gets you paid. Beginners often skip reading the rules. Don't make this mistake. Always check the program's scope before hacking. Submitting duplicate or low-quality reports is another pitfall. Search for previously reported bugs before submitting. Make sure your bug is a real security issue, not just a broken feature. Focus on quality over quantity. One valid report beats many weak ones. Don't get discouraged if you don't find bugs right away. Even pros have dry spells. Measure success by what you learn, not just what you earn. Avoid only testing obvious spots. Dig deeper into the app's logic. Explore every feature and think about how things could be abused. Understand business logic, not just surface-level issues. Every mistake is a lesson. Use them to improve. Stay ethical and follow the rules. Dig deep, stay patient, and keep learning. Bug Bounty has highs and lows. Motivation is key. Join the community. Follow hackers on Twitter, join Discords, read blogs, learn from others' successes and failures. Set realistic goals. Learn a new vulnerability each week or spend a set time hunting. Celebrate small wins. Your first valid report is huge. Treat every closed report as a learning opportunity. Don't argue with security teams. Use feedback to improve. Every mistake makes you better. Remember why you started. Challenge, learning, community, or money. Technology changes fast. Keep learning and adapting. Your skills are valuable and in demand. Stay curious, persistent, and ethical. Success will follow.